The good mother does everything on their own. They don't need help. They can figure it all out and they can meet all the unrealistic expectations with a smile on their face.
I remember being like a brand new mom and just feeling guilty anytime I asked somebody to like watch the baby or help out with the toddlers. And I didn't even want to ask anybody for help. But that took like a major toll, like on my mental health and sex life and intimacy and everything else too.
Yeah, absolutely. Our society is so set up for us to feel like we have to do everything on our own. And if we ask for help, that we're not good enough. The good mother does everything on their own. They don't need help. They can figure it all out and they can meet all the unrealistic expectations with a smile on their face. Asking for help is huge. Like if you can work with a client, a mom, and just get them to work through like understanding that it's okay to ask for help. And it's not only okay, but like you're going to be a better mother when you're asking for help.
Yeah.
Having time for yourself and having not so much pressure put on you to do it all alone is huge. And if you can figure out how to do that with moms, you've unlocked the secrets of working with moms.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. That's such a good tip. Now, if you could leave one message for the next generation, so like our Gen Zs and Alphas, about sexual health, what would it be and why does it matter right now?
Figure out what you like before you try to figure out what you like with partners. Knowing what you like and what you prefer and what you don't like will keep you from having terrible sex.
Yes.
And settling for terrible sex. And that's one thing I will stress. Do not settle for shitty sex. There is no reason to ever to settle. There are partners out there who will be willing to do what you like and not only what they like. Younger moms, please take your sexual health seriously. Please know that you are not broken after you have a baby and you have zero desire, because I became a mom at a very young age and I thought that in becoming a mom that I was not allowed to be a sexual being, even though I was a very sexual being before becoming a mom. And I thought that that was just not something that I was allowed to do after I had my baby, and that my job was to only care about my baby. It didn't matter what I wanted, it didn't matter about my pleasure. And it took me years of undoing that thinking. And mind you, I had a partner who was very supportive and never made me feel that way. So I know that there are other people out there who have partners who are the opposite. So just from the get-go, know that your sexual health is part of your overall health and it should be prioritized just as much as your physical health, your mental health, everything health.
I love it. That's such a great tip. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in learning more from experts like Dawn Moore, check out our events at sexualhealthalliance.com.